air blowing into the cup. This red really is cool. It doesn't look like much, but it's got some kind of little shimmer to it. It's this brand. We bought it when it was $11.99 a roll. You can try to see the shine to it a little bit better. It's got like a kind of like rainbowy kind of color into it at times. It's not supposed to be special, just supposed to be red. So this printer here is gonna be about 3 hours and 33 minutes when it's done to print these. It's actually not much slower than the Neptune, and the quality is top notch. Once you get this printer dialed in and you mark your Z, and you get your Z perfect and don't rely on this ramming the top up there, you'll get pretty good prints. So this is PETG looking like PLA. There's almost no stringing, hardly, just a little bit. I mean, it's pretty good. And I'm printing this one without supports. I didn't think it would need them because this is pretty good at bridging. So, a few more minutes on this and she'll be done, and we'll print some more. My son informed me that we need 30 of them. I'm not sure why.